There is a great quote saying your attitude determines your altitude in life. And it's so true. Now, I want you to connect your attitude with your energy. And I want you to think, how is your energy right now? How was your energy during the week? How about during the month? Because very quickly you're gonna start to realize that your energy matters towards how you feel, and how you feel determines how you act or how you react. You know those moments when you hear people fighting, or like it's almost like someone says a word and an explosion erupts, like in parliaments, like in politics. It's like, but it's not necessarily. It can happen in the street, it can happen in the restaurant, it can happen in a shop, it can happen anywhere, in the mall, anywhere, in a second. This is determined by those individuals. What is their attitude? Is it a positive attitude or a negative attitude? Now, guess what? If it's a positive attitude, can this spark erupt like a volcano? And the answer is most probably not. It's almost certain that it's not possible. How about if their attitude is negative? If they're feeding their mind all the time with negativity, like the news, the war, the recession, the inflation, the taxation, and all the nasty stuff, robberies, killing, briberies. And think about this like a compounding. It starts in like a small doses, and it compounds over time. In a week is a certain amount. In a month is 4 times this amount. In a year is 12 times this amount. In a decade, you get the picture. So next time you find yourself in a situation that you don't like your energy, it's like you're too easy to be, almost like put on fire, like to explode like a volcano. Think about what you're filling your mind with every day. How much news you're watching, or social media you're watching with the news and the feeds that are like not really helping you, not really transforming you, not really impacting you in a positive way. And start thinking how you can remove this completely. Now, it's not going to happen immediately, especially like if you have a habit of doing this every morning, every day, or every evening. But you can make it gradually, and you can measure the impact of your thoughts, of your energy, of your attitude, which will determine your altitude in life. So you can start to almost like remove this for a couple of days, and then extend this for a week. Like non-negativity, non-negative news, like reduce time with people that you have around you that are negative. Anytime you see them, they complain. Everything is a problem. Everything is a challenge. Everything is an issue. And start replacing your time with either people that are positive, people that are talking about ideas, businesses, things that are like really positive, and allow people to think, to grow, to be creative. Or remove them with time that you're alone. You better be alone than be with people that bring a negative influence on you, on your thoughts, on your energy, on your feelings, because this will impact your actions, your reactions, and your outcomes. And I hope this helps. Have an amazing day, and I look forward to see you living at your highest altitude. Have an amazing day.